Um, Prateek was saying again and again, "Diwali pe koi ghar nahi jata, Diwali pe koi ghar nahi jata," and I was like, don't give that fear.
Yeah.
I don't want that hope. I found solace in that person. I found that there was this one person who really cared, who really looked out for me, who stood up for me even when it was not required, when nobody else would.
Yeah.
And I just feel like that dude had my back, and in a similar way, I really care for him.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashita Sahani, and today joining me for a super interesting and fun conversation is Akasa, who's back from the Big Boss 15 house after a short but super sweet stint. Hey,
Hmm.
Akasa, what's up? How have you been?
I have been, like you said, you saw, you saw
I
how,
saw, I saw
but
live.
yeah, I don't know how much you saw and how much you didn't see, because constant thing that I have been told is that you were not seen. And I was just like, oh, okay, that's interesting.
Yeah, just to start off from there, honestly, I didn't feel that way at all. In fact, you were seen more than Simba. I can go loud and clear about it and say that. I don't know what equation personally you shared with him inside the house. I think it was quite cordial and you guys were friendly.
I
But
love him. He's an adorable little
yeah, he
thing.
he is. He honestly is. But we were all so shocked yesterday when it aired. I mean, of course, we knew beforehand, but I was like, "What is?" We were not prepared. Honestly, we really thought, "Ya to eviction hoga hi nahi, ya hoga to it would be Simba." How was your and what was your reaction like when it happened?
I
Um,
tend to always prepare for the worst. But so I was just like, you know what? I saw the episode, and my mom was like, "Did you know?" I was just like, I don't know. I had a gut feeling. I was just trying to be like brave for Pratik, who was just like, "You're not going. You're not going."
yeah,
I I don't know. Like the thing is, I love Simbu, but maybe he just connected with the audience more than I did, and because they told me audience के votes की कमी की वजह से, and I don't really know the reason. Maybe the reason is that I don't know. Maybe the reason is that, yeah, in the first week or 10 days, I was a little lost, and I was having difficulty
hmm,
coming out of this shell that I went into, because I sort of let the emotions
yeah,
let emotions take the better of me, and I could not. There were a lot of things I was just like, I can't deal with this, and I just want to go home, and I'm just, I was just sitting and crying all day in the bathroom. But I don't know. I guess I was 50-50 prepared. I was like, maybe Simba goes home, maybe, like, we knew Vishal might will not go home, honestly.
yeah,
um Pratik was saying again and again, "Diwali pe koi ghar nahi jata, Diwali pe koi ghar nahi jata," and I was like, don't give that fear.
yeah.
I don't want that hope. So yeah, I was definitely very hurt, and I still am. But whatever has to happen happens. Maybe they can just call me back and get me with
Yeah.
card.
Definitely. Let's file a petition on social media. It works nowadays.
Apparently.
Yeah. And, initially when we saw you inside the house, we thought a lot of your fans also thought that Pratik and you will have sort of this love angle, which has become a massive thing inside the Big Boss 15 house, I must say. Like, we see new people being paired up every day. So, yeah, what went down there?
Honestly, I was so actually I wasn't really surprised. I was like, I'm sure people are seeing that. घर के अंदर तो यही बोला जा रहा था. They were like, "Oh, you're with Pratik 24/7," and I was just like, I really bonded with that person.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, I know we seem like absolute opposites, but there are a lot of common factors we have about. It sounds very funny. Anybody will be like,
No.
"Huh? You're like him?" like because we are so like
Yeah, I know.
it in terms of how we were. I found solace in that person. I found that there was this one person who really cared, who really looked out for me, who stood up for me even when it was not required, when nobody else would.
Yeah,
And I just feel like that dude had my back, and in a similar way I really really care for him. I think he's a beautiful person, and I which is why regardless of how many times I was tried to, I was a lot of well wishers did tell me that they had some preconceived notions about him because of his
yeah,
whatever. um I did not want to listen to that. I know I must be coming across as ye kya kar rahi hai jab koi bol raha hai to. And I told him on like literally the first day that they told me this, he was like, why are you ignoring me because you think I'm playing a game with you or whatever.
yeah,
And I was like, you know what, that's on you. If you are, God forbid, that's on your conscience. But I feel like I really vibe with you, and I like talking to you, and you care, so I will. And which is what I think, it was always very clear and very pure. And whatever it was with us, nothing was calculated, nothing was like matlab ka, or oh, if I do this will I, whatever. It was just two people really just caring for each other and vibing together, and generally like we looked out for each other, and it was, I'm glad he was in that house.
definitely. To put it in one sentence, you guys were sugar, spice, and all things nice. You were the sugar, he was the spice, you guys balanced each other. So
Yeah,
that was the
yeah,
fun part.
also because we fought like cats and dogs. And now I'm like, kya hi ladai thi? But it's, yeah, but we both, as much as I didn't seem like that, I am a very opinionated person. I just feel like putting my opinions where I feel like people will care and listen.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm so with him that used to clash. Like I used to be like, no, no, no.
Mm.
He used to be like, no, and this and that, and yeah. But it was nice.
Okay. And in one of the episodes, I heard you saying that bahar jaake dekhenge, whatever happens, I don't want to do anything here. So will
That
that happen? Yeah, you said that.
I was just talking. I don't know what I was talking about. I think this was the तेजा trying to be बाहर जाके देखेंगे का
Yeah,
मतलब था कि from I can't fast track something. Like I'm not
correct.
like that. I like things being natural, which is why I am in as a person, just I like everything being real, natural. Let it happen. So obviously in the house everyone was like, oh, Pierre, and you're his wife and whatever, because we would share food, we would wait for each other to eat
Mm-hmm.
and everything. Uh,
Yeah,
what I meant with that was that I didn't want them to just create something, that I was just like, let it happen. And we are spending 24/7 with each other. So definitely there is an attachment in this house. It was the same for this. I was just like, this is the big boss house. You are 24/7 together. Um, you tend to get more attached. In the real world, whatever happens is like, you should also see that. So that is why I think I was just avoiding Teja's question, to be honest.
yeah,
I was avoiding the whole, yeah, what is happening? I was teasing
yeah.
her. That's why she asked me that.
I know, I saw that. And you also played Cupid between Tejasvi and Karan. But from where we saw it, we thought it was a little planned what was going on between them. Like not you involved, with them being involved, because one fine day Tejasvi comes and starts talking to Karan about being there for him and all of that. We thought it was a little planted, but you were very sweet to, actually try and get things easy for
I am
them. But
actually right now getting trolled and trashed because I happened to say when I came out, even I saw a lot of things, and I
yeah,
said that yes, Tejasvi a lot of times said stop teasing me or whatever.
hmm,
So I was just like, I hope it didn't come across as me forcing, because what I read immediately when I came out was that, oh, I don't know who made this statement. I don't know if it was Donald, that Akasa it's all a part of a thing, and Akasa was told to do this. I was like, by who? What are you saying?
yeah,
Like, who is telling? If someone was telling me things, they'd ask me to play differently, like for
yeah,
in God's sake. So I genuinely, honestly, I love Karan, and I, I was just like, he told me that there is a vibe, and I was teasing him with Teja to find out that I see, oh, is there
Yeah.
something, whatever. But उसने सामने से ही बोल दिया, yeah, I think there is a vibe, and and no, I think there is, like, I like her or whatever. So I
Hmm.
started teasing them and sort of started. I like being Cupid. I don't know why.
Okay. And what about Ishan and Maisha now? Everyone, they were also fed up. Everyone telling them that 3 दिन में कैसे प्यार हो गया, blah blah blah. Now you have been there, you have lived with them. What did you feel about the entire scene?
Um, for me, it was always like whenever someone came to discuss with me, also I was like, bro, to each his own.
Yeah.
Are you asking me कैसे हो सकता है? मुझे नहीं पता भाई, मुझे नहीं होता. मैं नहीं इतनी comfortable हो जाती किसी के साथ. But if they did, then it was well and good. I did tell Maisha that, bro, like, just think about it, take it slow, think about real life and this life. But
Yeah.
whatever happened, um, I guess I, they were doing their thing. I don't know. I no comment. I don't know.
Okay. Lastly, I just have a very small rapid fire. Now I'll give you a name. Sorry, I'll give you a word, and you have to tell me who is the most blah person. Like, for example, who's the most clever person inside the house. So like that.
Okay.
Okay. So the first one, being clever. Who's the most clever one?
Clever in the good way or clever in the bad way?
No, just clever. Clever is good only, I think. Smart, street smart, clever, like that.
Nishan. Very clever.
Okay. Who's the most fake person? Just say it. It's fine.
I don't know. Um, I think I I used to feel like Afsana was being very fake when she would tell me I'm your sister, but then she would be
Yeah.
mean to me, and I was just like, bro,
Okay. Who's the player of the house?
what kind of a player? Please.
Player as in who plays the game fantastically, like the player.
Uh, in a good way,
Yeah. In a good way.
playing really well.
Yeah, definitely. Who's the mastermind?
Again, in a good way or a bad way?
It's a little on the negative side,
I don't
planning
know.
and
I feel
plotting.
a lot of people try being the mastermind. I'm like, तुम्हें किसी को
Yeah.
नहीं पता. But I think Vishal has tried being mastermind a lot of times.
Okay. Who's the meaty churi?
Very specific words y'all are giving. That
Yeah.
I know who you want me to say, and I
No,
know
I don't have anyone in
I
mind,
know the
honestly.
world knows. But I feel like in tasks, Maisha becomes a full meaty churi. Like she just
Yeah.
says some things, and I'm like, why are you doing this?
Yeah. Okay. And in one episode, Karan and Nishant were talking, and Nishant said that Akasa is very sweet and she's just too nice for the house. And then Karan asked that, is she real? Is she really this nice, or is it for the game?
Karan asked.
So yeah. So I thought that you knew it, and then you would give his name in Meethi Chuli. There is an episode. I don't know. I don't remember the day. I think a week ago. It's in Raat ko lights out ke baad. They are lying down on the bed and they are speaking about that. So I genuinely thought you would know that and you would want to name Karan, but okay, it's fine.
He said that, is she nice or is she just being that for the game?
Yeah, game. Yeah, he said that when Nishant was, of course, defending you. But yeah, the episode ended with that scene, so you can, of course, watch it for yourself. Yeah, there are a lot of things that you will be, coming to know slowly. You have just come out, so yeah, definitely. Okay. Lastly, who's the?
Would ever say something wrong about me though? Like I'm pretty clear about that.
Yeah.
And if he did, now I'm gonna chappal I'll throw.
No, he did. You can watch it. He did say this line. I particularly remember because it's in my questions.
Not Karan.
Prateek, no, Prateek is, come on, Prateek. We would have gone against Prateek if he would have done that. Never, no. He's a sweetheart. If whatever he's in front of you, he's that. So yeah. And lastly, who's the gossip queen or king?
I don't know a single person apart from me who wasn't gossiping. I wish I was a part of them.
Yeah.
मुझे पता ही नहीं होता था कौन gossip. I think there were groups.
Yeah.
The groups were gossip. कौन करता है? एक सेकंड यार. सबसे ज्यादा कौन करता है gossip? Everyone. I don't know. I think there was
Yeah.
a group of like Ishan, Maisha, sometimes Shamita. That a bunch of times would like
Yeah.
Shamita. Actually, I don't think was ever Shamita. Someone who doesn't gossip, but
Yeah.
maybe
It's her brother. It's her brother.
Vishal bhai. That's what I was.
Vishal.
Ishan, Maisha, Vishal. Maisha
Yeah.
क्या साथ में ही बैठता था यार.
I know. Vishal was so funny. He would gossip and then he would come to the same person.
Vishal bhai was, of course. Arey, how can I
Yeah.
forget? Vishal bhai. Yeah. He would say something about and then उस थोड़ी देर के बाद come and sit with that person.
And would say, मैं तो तेरे बारे में कभी ही नहीं बोलता. And I was like,
मैं जो
what?
तेरे पीछे बोलूंगा देख
हाँ.
एकदम मैं जो तेरे पीछे बोलूंगा मैं तेरे मुंह पे भी बोलने को तैयार हूँ एकदम. And I used to just be like आपने मुझे पे कभी नहीं बोला कि मैं यहाँ पे पिकनिक मनाने आई हूँ.
Yeah, right. Okay, thank you so much, Akasa, for joining in. It was a fun chat and really hoping to see you again in the house.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It was nice
Most welcome.
meeting you. Yeah, I hope
Same
I
here. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye. Bye.